Yes, my people, subscribe before you watch this, okay? Watch this, and then you get to learn something, okay? Now, this vehicle, it came with abnormal sound, okay? There was some sound coming from the engine, but guess what? You see this? Look at this. This is like, this is the bridge, okay? This is the bridge. So, there was excessive play, excessive clearance, okay? There was excessive clearance in this area, so there was too much sound made by these exhaust valves, okay? These are rocker arms, okay? So they were making a lot of sound. So now adjustment has been done and everything is okay. So the vehicle is 100% okay. Get my point? So please, if you are a mechanic, please try to save your customer and give them the better service, not only changing the oil, okay? Have a nice time. Bye-bye.